timeout, make everybody think it's a big brain play. Pump those muscles and go sprinting at them. But I do like that we then get this second flavor.
This is... As we cross a minute, the options are still open. It's the CTs who I think are a bit more conservative, right? They want to see an X-Streak come because they don't have mid-control. And the longer they don't have mid-control, the more
Yes!
they get parried.
Bro! Oh!
Second guessing their
Hit!
chances are actually fine right now.
Oh,
Poison,
fuck!
however, has pushed towards A all the way down.
Oh,
And
fuck!
it seems like they're
Oh,
fine just gambling that FaZe will come back. But Kerrigan is pretty wise to this, and it looks like he might avoid the issue. However, we've got some counterplay with Poison actually looking to flank mid potentially.